G'day guys, Sam here. Friday the 22nd of December, giving you another crypto review. One of our followers requested this chart, CD fund, and what do I think? And what is a good way of trading it as well. Here we have the non-log chart, and when you look at it, it really pulled back a lot. And there are cases where if it's a great project, it will outdo it, hit the previous high. But in this case, I don't think S-Fund's going to break the previous high. What I think it is, if it's at most, it'll probably hit 11 bucks, $11, just by Fibonacci. I just don't feel that this is going to spike, but who knows? Anything is possible. At this point in time, I'll rather look at it from okay, looking from that perspective, it makes it a bit different, doesn't it? So here we have a trend line that is not really valid that much. Actually, it can be. So that is a breakout pattern. The reason why I do this trend line is there are targets based on the trend line. Especially if it's a wedge. So that's a target, and funny enough, and you probably pick up some method here, you can see how that works. So that's valid, and that's where we got the resistance, I suppose. It's part of the bump and run strategy, where if you pick the line properly, the beginning of that line is usually where the price ends up. So it's a methodology that I've picked up just from observation, but it doesn't always work, and that's because we're not really looking at it properly at the time. So here we have a very strong move, and obviously this is going to be consolidation under resistance. If it breaks this level, and funny enough, that's when I do it from that perspective, it's a 618. Oh, okay, so let's just adjust it a bit. That is a 618 level from a log perspective. A non-log perspective, let's just do this for a sec based on this symmetry. I expect a pullback. That wick was on the daily, so we've got daily levels here. So let's just pick that out. 12 hour. It is trying to do a reversal pattern of some sort. Has it done enough? Probably not. So we have our daily level here. That daily level, so there's liquidity above that. So what we'll do is look at it from a liquidity perspective. All that is for the taking. It's a strong resistance. You can see how much times it applied. So it wouldn't surprise me it just does that. It is a breakout trade. When I think about it, it's actually a breakout trade. If it does break out, we've still got this resistance. But the pullback, it's likely to pull back. Take out that liquidity just at the last top and pull back. And then potentially use this level as support. Now, that's the one conservative way. But when you look at this scenario, if this does come down, that's a good entry. I think you'll get a good bounce from there, and that will be the momentum to go. And you know, we can look at this from a number of ways. We can probably say that is a spawning wedge, and you know what, it can be a strong move as well. So there's a few scenarios there. If it pulls back here, that would be ideal. Shake out, get the liquidity out of here. All these here, you shake them out. Take the liquidity and then push it out. And so I'll be looking for this really, because there's a lot of demand here in the past, and now there's liquidity here is again. Basically what I'm thinking is this is a uptrend. This is a bull flag of some sort, a reaccumulation of some sort. We don't know what formation it is, but then there's a continuation. I think that's valid. The question is, when do you enter? Here is a good area. A breakout trade is all right, but it's not guaranteed to go really strong. If I was to do that, we might get up to that point before we get a bit of a pullback. So we might get up to that point, 618, with a measured move. And if you look on the bigger picture, the double line makes sense there as well. So that is a strong resistance level. So even if we do break out, that double line area is a strong resistance. It's a neckline from the previous failed auction. So that is, so we've got levels here, levels there, and another level here. So these are the levels that it needs to get through. I do believe it's going to go higher, but and looking at this scenario, our 618, where the wick was, it will just take a while to break through it. And then and if it does break through it, we'll find resistance here again, pull back, and then potentially more further up, or we get a reversal. It depends on the timing when it does it. But yeah, I do feel like this is a strong move. Here there might be some consolidation, some volatility, potentially back down again, or continue up. But yeah, this neckline is going to be the challenge, in my opinion. And that's it. That's it. I don't think I should add any more to that. There's a few scenarios that you can look at to enter and manage your risk accordingly. I'm going to leave it at that. Please give me a like and share, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.
There you have it. Please give Sam a like, share, and subscribe to his channel to support him for doing more of these posts. There you have it. Please give Sam a like, share, and subscribe to his channel to support him for doing more of these posts.